In the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a talented hairdresser named Pauline. With hands as skilled as an artist's, she had the ability to transform hair into breathtaking masterpieces. Yet, despite her immense talent, Pauline worked long hours as a cashier at a local grocery store, struggling to make ends meet. Every day, she would return home exhausted, her dreams of opening her own salon tucked away like a delicate secret. Each evening, she would sit on her small porch, gazing at the hustle and bustle of the streets. The laughter, the music, the colorful lifestyle inspired her but also reminded her of the formidable wall of uncertainty that blocked her path. With each passing day, her resolve wavered under the weight of her meager paycheck and unyielding bills. One sunny afternoon, an American tourist named Jack wandered into the store, searching for snacks to take on his excursions. Tall and friendly, he quickly struck up a conversation with Pauline while she cashed up his items. She shared her story, her dreams swirling around her as bright as the tropical flowers outside. Jack listened intently, captivated by her passion and determination. After paying for his snacks, Jack asked Pauline if she would style his hair the next day. Thrilled at the opportunity, she agreed, treating it as her chance to showcase her skills. When Jack returned, Pauline worked her magic, transforming his hair into a stunning style that made him look like a local celebrity. Impressed, Jack couldn't help but admire her talent and ambition. "You have something special, Pauline," he said, his eyes sparkling with inspiration. "Why aren't you opening your own salon?" Pauline sighed, explaining her financial struggles. Jack thought for a moment, then offered an idea that sent a surge of hope through her. "What if I help you get started? We can create a crowdfunding campaign. With your skills and my network, we could make it happen." Elated, Pauline nodded, her heart racing with excitement. Together, they launched a campaign, sharing her story and showcasing her incredible work. To her astonishment, people were drawn to her passion, contributing funds, sharing her story, and spreading the word. Weeks later, Pauline stood in front of her very own salon, Pauline's Paradise. The vibrant colors of her Jamaican heritage adorned the walls, and the air was thick with the scent of coconut and island flowers. As she welcomed her first clients, she felt a surge of gratitude wash over her. With Jack's help and her unwavering dedication, Pauline had not only transformed her life but also created a sanctuary for beauty and creativity in her community. No longer just a cashier, she was now the proud owner of a salon where dreams blossomed, just like the spirit of Jamaica itself.